Piccadilly Gardens, back again. Just having a look at these in the corner over here. Just checking out what these police are up to. Do you know what I mean? Let's go and have a look. Go and have a look. Go and have a look what's going on here. Watch the trams. Go and see what's going on. Look at the link gardens. Have a look at this. What was going off right there? Don't know who this is, but we'll soon find out. Let's go. One have a look. Get a bit closer. Don't think he believes that's him on the photograph. We'll see.
Rare thing.
Crazy Manchester. Don't know what passport he's got there, but it's a blue one. It's got C on it. I think it's Arabic. Give it him back. So maybe it's not stolen. But maybe we'll see. The police are on the mission today. Well, let me tell you. Be careful if you're coming to Manchester today. It's a crazy place. Crazy place, Manchester. Sure, this fucker leaks. Got an umbrella here and it's leaked. Look at it, got a foot patrol. Foot patrol and umbrella. And it's fucking shit. I'll get that in a second. Spins on, so I'll get it. And we are back. Don't know what's going on here. Still no joy in this fella. Keep on the look. See if you can see anything out the police are there anyway, look. And another car that is. You see, yeah, there as well. There's his friend, I think they might let him go. Bit too up, they'll let him go. Bit of luck. Anyway, on with the next one.
Huh?
On with the next one. Sorry about these trams, they're absolutely shit bits, but and you don't want to see that, do you? You see a beautiful place like that. Just waiting for my mate Geordie to ring me. See what he's chatting. I've not seen him for a while. Well, call him Geordie. He's a Mackham. He's actually from Sunderland. He's not a bad kid actually. But you know. Jesus Christ, it's a rough day today, you know. Honestly, God, I'm out with the lions today. Lions, tigers and bears today I'm out with. I'm fucking soaking. And I'm out with the roughest of the rough. You've got to be rough out here today, let me tell you. And if you're not fucking rough, you've got to be tough. If not rough and tough together. Okay, I'll look at them with a little snack box here. Right? Let me in there for 10 minutes. My fucking brother's got a leak. Got fake police. Oh, just fucked up round here, you know. You can't walk along across a waterlogged fucking field, can you? And it's not normal like this. Piccadilly Gardens. Fountains are there, not here. It's very, very bad today. Well, let me tell you, it's a rough one. Let me go down here and see if I can find somewhere, at least something to do. There's the most dangerous McDonald's in the Northwest, or the Western Hemisphere, as Charlie Beach says. Big up Charlie Beach. Big up Looking Glass. Hope you get out soon, brother. I'll be in court anyway. We'll see what happens to it, mate. See what happens to you. We've still got the guy over there. I'm not even interested in him anymore. He'd be in handcuffs if he had any problems. So yeah, I'll leave that guy alone. And we're off. But you're bleeding soaking, pal. Fucking hell, some of these are that. Lend me that one. He's got the best umbrella in UK. Can I get a cig off the pal?
Last one.
I'll buy one.
I've got none. Empty. Sorry.
What a fucking... See you in a bit. I'm winding him up, but, you know, nice him and I don't smoke actually. Got smoking. Got some of these. Think me on me. They're not doing crazy. Oh, I've got another one here in the corner. Been arrested, shoplifting.com. Another one off. Backing up the policeman. Police officers backing up, trying to block my view. Well, I've got it anyway. My God. They're all robbing from Primark. Everybody's robbing from Primark. Even though it's the cheapest shop, they're all robbing from it. Know what I'm saying? He's in the cuffs, as you can see. There's another one here. She's nipped also. She's arrested. She's next. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you. No, I'm on, because I can. I'm allowed to, yeah.
Maybe they don't want us to go.
It's alright, yeah, whether you're allowed or not, it doesn't matter.
Just a bit nosy though, really.
Yeah, I'm nosy, yeah.
There's nothing interesting going on, mate.
It's alright, I'm just checking anyway, it's okay. You do your own thing. Do your own business, pal. Don't concentrate on me.
Better to do clearly.
Do your own business, don't concentrate on me, pal. Do your own work, don't concentrate on me. It's alright, well I'm very quiet, not having a conversation, I'm watching whatever's going on.
Right, okay.
Yeah, watch and observe me, mate. Go on YouTube tonight, have a look. You'll be on YouTube tonight, have a look then. You see what I do.
You'll be on YouTube tonight.
You will be on YouTube tonight.
Right, okay. Sounds like that'll be a really interesting video for you.
Yeah, we'll have a look. Might be a good viewing for you. He's very touchy. These police are very touchy around here, look. He's on to sergeant. Okay, no, we can't do nothing around here. You know what I mean? Freedom in it, supposed to be. Ain't no freedom with the police like this, is there? Well, they've left me for now. We'll see what happens. He's very touchy, this guy doesn't like me. For some reason. He doesn't like me. I was actually filming this guy, not them, but turned to my left. I'm seeing this. Oh, they might not want you filming. Well, guess what? I'm in a public place, I can film as much as I want. You know what I mean? If you keep stealing out of Primark, then that's what happens. Not good, is it, big man?
Not nice this.
No, need an umbrella. You need one of these at least. You need something like this. Yeah, innit? No worries. I'd help you, but I'm busy at the minute. No worries. I'm busy at the minute. Annie's on. I keep switching from left to right because I've got one to my left and one to my right. Let's see what happens. Oh, they all think the Charlie Beach. I don't care. Oh, he's unlocking him now. That's one off. See? What they're doing around here, they're locking you up, handcuffing you. Right? They think, oh, that's why the police were against me, because they're locking you up, handcuffing you, right? Then releasing your handcuffs. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Don't put you in handcuffs. That lady that I'm not even bothering, but see that? That guy was innocent. Why put you in handcuffs? Doesn't make any sense to me. That's bad standards if you ask me. Alright. Not bad, right there.
Yeah, well, the next is off.
And they just let him go, mate. They're fucking out of order, they're fucking just nicking any cunt, aren't they?
I know.
Wankers there they are.
I know.
Bullying, they're bullying, aren't they? They're bullying lately.
Yeah,
They're fucking bullying.
Yeah.
That's what it is. They're proper bullying people. They're putting people in handcuffs before they even arrested for
Get
them.
on this year, the next somebody the other day, right, yeah, for his own medication. You know, it's this time it said, why are you bringing him for your own medication? Don't you think that's bang out of order? Let him go 20 minutes later.
Oh, it's a fucking joke, man. It's a
They've got
fucking...
nothing else better to do, that's what it is.
They need something fucking... They need a decent job.
What about all these paedophiles that get away with everything? You know what I mean?
Well, they're probably one of them.
I wouldn't be surprised if all the government are.
They're probably one of them, innit? Something in that bracket because they're fucking... Just disgusting what's going on in this country. Weird what's going on in this country now. Look at that, innit? They're pulling people and then releasing them. You know what I mean?
But you know, by law, you're not, you don't have to tell them your name.
You don't tell them anything.
No, you don't have to tell them nothing wrong. By law.
You don't have to do fuck all. Unless they've got evidence on you or reason to believe, you don't have to do anything. You don't. Oh, I was telling you, pulling him over his can of beer. Oh, they're all out, man. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Trying to change it. He's ready. Oh. Locked him up anyway, basically. Locked him up and let him go.